Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Mishra. This is multiple choice questions on strategic human resource management part 4th. As in the beginning of every video tutorial, I have been telling you that I have compiled this in view of the scheduled examinations to be held of AKTU for MBA final year students. So this is dedicated to MBA final year students. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Jesse's study 1997 identified what issue as being the biggest obstacle to creating a knowledge creating company. Options are A. Limited resources for training and development. B. Organizational culture. C. Failure of management. D. Inability to assess learning material. So correct option is B. Organizational culture. Now question number 2. What is the most common form of organizational intervention designed to improve employee well-being? Options are A. Secondary and tertiary. B. Primary. C. Variable. D. Best fit. So correct option is A. Secondary and tertiary. Question number 3. What are the main aims of employee assistance programs? Options are A. To alter the organizational culture. B. To address team and individual performance and well-being in the workplace. C. To focus the attention of employees to the power structures of an organization. D. To establish effective methods of care and support for everyone in an organization. So here, if you compare, you will find B as the correct option to address team and individual performance and well-being in the workplace. Now move to next slide. Question number 4. How does the selection of an international assignee usually take place? Options are A. Formal interview process with internal staff. B. Informal discussion based on chance conversations with internal staff. C. Informal discussion between each member of a specific team. D. Formal recruitment process that includes internal and external candidates. So correct option is B. Informal discussion based on chance conversations with internal staff. Now question number 5. Which multinational bank used business sponsors to monitor international assignees? Options are A. Oman International Bank. B. Falcon International. C. HSBC. D. Barclays. So correct option is C. HSBC. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large the correct options are highlighted here in this video tutorial. Now question number 6. Which of the following techniques are not connected with human resource planning? Options are A. Succession planning. B. Management of change. C. Simple linear regression. D. Markov matrix analysis. So correct option is B. Management of change. Now move to next slide. Question number 7. What is the major problem with the theorizing of strategic IHRM? Options are it becomes obsolete very quickly as change occurs so fast. B. It is being biased towards Western ideas. C. It tends to offer a highly idealized perspective on strategy formulation. D. It fails to incorporate conflict. So correct option is C. It tends to offer a highly idealized perspective on strategy formulation. Question number 8. How can HRM help to build successful cross-border alliances? Options are A. By ensuring that organizations spend 25% of their budgets on cross-border alliances. B. By ensuring that a strategy is in place before embarking on a cross-border alliance? C. By ensuring that organizations export their ideas to other societies and cultures. D. By ensuring that international joint ventures are staffed by high quality managers. So correct option is D. By ensuring that international joint ventures are staffed by high quality managers. Now move to next slide. Let me tell you viewers that please, if you like this video tutorial important for you from examination viewpoint, because this is going to act as ready reckoner for you. So please do not forget to subscribe and forward it to many those who are in need. Now question number 9. Which of the following statements most accurately defines human resource management? Options are A. Human resource management contributes to business strategy and plays an important role in the implementation of business strategy. B. Human resource management is an approach to managing people. C. Human resource management seeks to achieve competitive advantage through the strategic development of a highly committed and capable workforce using an integrated array of culture, structural and personnel techniques. D. Human resource management focuses on people as the source of competitive advantage. If you compare, though it's applied one, so you will find that C is the correct option. Human resource management seeks to achieve competitive advantage through the strategic deployment of a highly committed and capable workforce using an integrated array of culture, structural and personnel techniques. Now question number 10. Which of the following is not a recruitment technique? So options are A. Interviews, B. Performance appraisal, C. Psychometric testing, D. Ability tests. So obviously it's B. Performance appraisal. It is not for recruitment, rather it is for appraising the performance. Those who know can better understand it. By the way, now move to next slide. See, this is question number 11. Which of the following is not true of the activity known as job analysis? So options are here. A. It aims to describe the purpose of a job and the conditions under which it is performed. B. The job elements are rated in terms of such as frequency of use or amount of time involved. C. The rate of pay for the job is fixed. D. Jobs are broken into elements such as information or relationship with other people. So correct option is C. The rate of pay for the job is fixed. Now question number 12. Which one of the following becomes a creative factor in production? So options are A. Land, B. Capital, C. Consumers, D. Human resources. So correct option is D. Human resources. Now move to next slide. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a common criticism of using personality tests in selection? Options are A. Good performers in the same job may have different personalities. B. There are no reliable instruments with which to assess personality. C. An individual's personality can vary with circumstances. D. Candidates can fake the answers, so giving a misleading impression. If you compare, you will find B to be the correct answers. There are no reliable instruments with which to assess personality. Now question number 14. Which statement best describes 360-degree feedback? It is, options are A. A method used to appraise employees, B. A system where managers give feedback to all their staff, C. A system where feedback on any individual is derived from peers, subordinates, supervisors and occasionally customers, D. A development tool. So here correct option is C. A system where feedback on any individual is derived from peers, subordinates, supervisors, and occasionally even the customers. Now move to question 15. Which of the following would not form part of a flexible reward package? Options are ability to buy and sell leave days, B. Non-pay items such as childcare vouchers, C. Cafeteria benefits, D. Performance related pay. So correct option is D. Performance related pay. Now question number 16. People cast in the role of contributors to production are called. Options are A. Capitalist, B. Landowners, C. Human resources, D. Consumers. So correct option is C. Human resources. Now question number 17. Wide range of abilities and attributes possessed by people are called as. Options are A. Management, B. Human resources, C. Entrepreneur, D. Intrapreneur. So correct option is B. Human resources. Now move to next slide. Question number 18. Development of which resource is difficult to master? Options are A. Human, B. Land, C. Capital, D. Natural. Correct option is A. Human. Now question number 19. The focus of human resource management involves around A. Machine, B. Motivation, C. Money, D. Men. So correct option is D. Men. Question number 20. Quality oriented organization primary concern centers around dash. Options are A. Coordination, B. Communication, C. Human resources, D. Discipline. So correct option is C. Human resources. So this was all about this video tutorial. One more video tutorial will be coming up, having more questions important for you. For any query, you please write to our classes at gmail.com. More video tutorials on different management subjects along with toughest interview questions are available on my YouTube channel R Classes. Please do not forget to subscribe and forward it to many for subscription. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice time. Best of luck.